So I just got this email from Uber reserve a ride for any occasion. And it says just this was released for Kyiv, Ukraine. So presented the new ride schedule in software Uber Reserve. Now you can book a ride in Kyiv up to 30 days in advance, which means you can stay on top of your upcoming trip schedule and save time. So you can just tap reserve now. The driver will arrive before the planned pickup time and will wait for up to 15 minutes past the time. This way you get reassurance that your trip will start according to plan, and if you're running a bit late, your driver will wait for you. Know what to expect. When booking a ride with Uber Reserve, you know upfront how much you're going to pay. You can be assured that the price will not change, but also know who will drive you to your destination. Of course, maybe in other countries this was the feature long time ago, but in case you didn't check it out, yeah, you just open the Uber app, and then what you need to do is just you tap. You need to add a payment method, and then you can just use here and tap scheduling. So something like that. So yeah, that's the process. Hope that is helpful.